Well, it's not time to go swimming. Come on. Here's side yard. Here's our grassy area with these big trees.
We're just going back inside. Let's go back inside.
Alright, I'm gonna film the pool real quick.
What?
Here is the pool. We got the extended step. A little waterfall.
How many times to go in the pool?
Yeah, it is, honey.
Oh.
Are we gonna go inside? Come on. Come on.
I want to go swimming.
Well, not swimming. Okay, come on. Let's go upstairs.
What upstairs? Mom was going to go upstairs.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I always go this way.
Hold on. This is the laundry room.
What room is this going to be?
This is going to be Daddy's office. Okay,
Oh.
I guess we can't turn the light on.
Ooh, a telescope.
Yeah.
That's a huge telescope.
Those are lights, sweetie. Okay. Alright.
Mommy, why did you umbrellas?
You what? Here, let's go upstairs real quick.
Why?
Okay, I got everything.